Hi friends, welcome back again to Learning Kingdom. In the last class we are discussed about basic concepts of computer and memories and operating systems and some shortcut keys and some basic definitions. Today we are going to discuss that about algorithm. This is a main concept of OOPS. OOPS means object oriented programming. In that, first we are discussing about algorithm, characteristics of an algorithm, algorithm notations and example. Let's go. What is algorithm? Here by seeing this picture we can know here input is given and set of rules to obtain the expected output from the given input. That is a algorithm and it gives the output. Here we are giving something our problem and for that problem we are solving. How we solving? We are writing some instructions to solve that problem and that gives output. Here we are knowing in details. Let's move. What is algorithm? An algorithm can be defined as a step-by-step instructions written to solve given problem. If a problem is given, for that problem we want solution. Okay, so for that solution we must write some instructions how to solve that problem. That is nothing but algorithm. That is step-by-step instructions for the problem. It is written using ordinary English. We are write algorithm in our ordinary English. Each statement must be processed and well defined to program specific operations. What they are telling? For a specific problem we are writing operations. The word algorithm is named after the famous 19th century Arabic author and mathematician. Here algorithm comes from a mathematician whose name is Abu Ja'far Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizm. That is the author of the great mathematician of the Arabic. The last two terms of the name took different pronunciation. At the beginning that is algorithm. After that finally it becomes algorithm. Okay, Al-Khwarizm. First they take Al-Khwarizm. After that it comes algorithm. After the finally it becomes algorithm. Let's move forward. Characteristics of algorithm. That is characteristics of algorithm in short terms: well-defined inputs, well-defined outputs, finiteness, feasible, language independent, clear and unambiguous. Let's study in detail. Each and every algorithm must have following 5 characteristics. These are some main 5 characteristics that must be included in algorithm. That is input. What is input? It may accept a 0 or more inputs. It takes a input. Okay, after that output. It should produce at least one output. Here that for a given problem it produces at least one output. Next, definiteness. Definiteness means each instructions must be clear, well defined, precise. There should not be any ambiguity. Finiteness. It should be a sequence of finite instructions. That is, it should not enter infinite loop. Here for a given problem we must write some finite instructions. If we write something infinitely, then it enters to infiniteness. Next, effectiveness. Effectiveness is nothing but this means that operations must be simple and carried out. That is must be effective. Next, algorithm notations. Name of the algorithm, step number, explanatory, comment and termination. This must be, it includes. Right, see some example. Writing a algorithm for addition of 2 number. Step 1. Here initially start with the start. After step 2 it take the value input. We give the input, read A and B. After that it process with what we are writing operation, that compute C is equal to A plus B. We are adding the number A and B. The answer result should store in C. In the step 4 we are displaying C. After that we must terminate that algorithm or we must terminate that problem. For that reason we are writing stop. This is about a simple algorithm of an addition of 2 numbers. This is all about today, and like and subscribe our video.
If you didn't seen our first videos, Link will be provided in the description. Go and check out. Like and share, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon with a new video about flowchart and characteristics of flowcharts. Bye bye.